EasyRLS is a tool where you can manage all your PostgreSQL row level security. So I was tired of writing all the SQLs all the time. Managing row level security is a help. So I created this tool. Let me walk through directly what is inside the tool. So let's go. So just enter your Postgres connection string. So for now I will be connecting to a Supabase Postgres instance. So let me just connect it. Then you see all the schemas in your database. I will be exploring the base schema. So inside it you will see all the tables you have. So there you can see a glimpse of like on which table the RLS is enabled and on which it is not enabled. So we will go into the cars table. So then there are a few options. You can add a new policy or you can disable. So disable will disable the row level security policies on the table. Then we can simply add a new policy, like let me just name it test. Then select the type of the policy, select the rules, select the operation on which you want to add the policy. And for now I will add the with check expression using true, and then using expression and with check expression true. Then on clicking on save. So in real world scenario, most of the policies are basically just copy of it with few tweak of the variables. So you can just click on copy and a form will just pop up. Then you can just update if you want anything and your new policy will be created. Then at any time you can delete any policy. So that's it. Just connect your database and manage your policies. So a note on it, it is just a tool where I'm connecting to your database and just showing you some stuffs and making few operations. I'm not saving the data of your database anywhere. You can also run it in your local system. So there's a GitHub repo, just go and clone the repo and you can just run the project.